treat your business like a race car. You wouldn't go into a Grand Prix without first making sure your car's in tip-top shape, would you? Well, you shouldn't treat your business any differently. Due to budget constraints, we're gonna pretend this thing goes fast. But moving on. Think of your business operations as your engine. They both drive you forward. You wouldn't ignore your check engine light, would you? So don't do it with your business either. You have to keep up with your business's engine through efficient bookkeeping, organized payroll, and well-managed expenses. Your team is like your business's tires. They steer and make contact. The right team, like the right tires, is essential. And what's fueling your race car? That's right. It's your cash flow. Just like a car can't run without fuel, your business can't run without cash. The dashboard is your financial reports. They give you real-time information on how fast you're going, how much fuel you've got left, and other vital stats. At CSI Accounting, we make sure your dashboard shows you the KPIs that are most important for your journey. Finally, the steering wheel. This represents your decision-making. One wrong turn and you could end up off the track, but with proper planning, you can navigate the twists and turns of business with ease. Looking for a pit crew to help you stay in the race? That's what we're here for at CSI Accounting and Payroll. We help make your business engine run as smoothly as possible. Get started today. Fill out the contact form in the description of this video, and one of our consultants will reach out right away. Or give us a call anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on steering your business to success. See you in the next lap.